Morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our reception presentation assembly to celebrate all those children who've been working so hard throughout in reception all the way through this half term. They have been amazing. As you can see, it is Friday the 22nd of October 2021. I'm here to celebrate. I've also got some house captains in to come and help me with the names and shouting out those children in reception who've been working so hard. So you'll see the house captains coming up each time to see them. So let's start off this morning. Look at these reception, look at these math certificate winners, these mathematicians. Here we go, who have we got?
Reuben, Leah, Archie and Letty.
Indeed, aren't they amazing? Let's give them a massive cheer now. Stand up in reception. Well done you guys, really well done. So proud of you. Those certificates will be coming home with you today, so well done. Moving on, let's have a look. What have we got? Right, we've got some reading certificate winners. These guys have been reading every single day without fail, even over the weekends. It's been amazing and learning their sounds, so really well done to these four. Who have we got?
Lily, Rose, Alice, Hayden and Phoenix.
We certainly have. Look at those. Come on, let's give them a massive cheer. Come on everyone, stand up. So everyone give you a cheer in reception now. So really well done guys. Congratulations. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. Thank you. Look at this, understanding the world. Look at these winners. Look, understanding the world, being inquisitive, asking lots of questions. They are amazing. So, who have we got?
We've got Darby, Arafa, Alfie and Majeus.
Nice.
Superb.
Look at these guys, Les. Hey, they are superb. Look at them. Big smiles on their faces as well. Amazing dinosaur as well. Well done, Arafat. Lovely and great drawings going on there. So really well done, guys. Enjoy taking your certificates home today as well. Superstars. Well done. Next, we have our PE certificate winners. These guys have been working really hard in PE and being really physical. Absolutely, all the time. Superb half term, so really well done. The winners are Elijah,
Maria, Zygmunt and Gretel.
Indeed, look at those guys. Big smiles on their faces as well. They're really enjoying their PE. They really are. So really well done you four, and enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. Massive round of applause. Let's stand up in reception now. Come on guys, let's give them a big cheer. Well done. Here we go. Next, we've got phonics certificates. These guys have been working really hard on their phonics and on their sounds so well every single day. They are superb. Who have we got?
We've got Quinn, Sanila, Amelia and Max.
We certainly have. Look, let's give them a big cheer, everyone. Stand up, guys. Well done. Keep learning your sounds. If you keep learning your sounds, you'll just be better at reading, and you will get better at reading. So really well done, you guys. You superstars. Right, moving on. Here we go. We've got, look at Miss Ruffles' reception. These are their Miss Ruffles mathematicians now. So let's have a little look. Who won their math certificates? Come on.
Katie, Isla, Rowan and Xavier.
Indeed. Look at them. Massive cheer for these guys, please. Stand up, guys. Well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. You superstars. Really proud of you. Well done. Next, we have our phonics stars. Now, these guys have been learning their sounds just like Miss McTavish's class. They've been doing it every single day and getting really good at reading. So, who have we got?
Archie, Beatrice, Theo and Willow.
We have. Look at them, look. Massive smiles on their faces as well. So they should be really proud of themselves for earning their certificates. So really well done, you guys. Huge congratulations. And enjoy taking your certificates home today. Well done. Next, we have our understanding the world. Being really inquisitive, asking lots of questions. These guys just don't stop asking why, what, where. They are amazing. Who have we got?
We've got Jensen, Oliver, Amelia and Hannah.
We have. Look at them again. Huge smiles on their faces. It just makes me smile. Really well done, guys. Enjoy taking your certificates home today. Stand up. Let's give you a massive cheer in class. So really well done. I know all your parents will be very proud of you. Next, what have we got? Look at these reading stars. Oh my days, look. And I know these guys have been reading every single day and at the weekends as well. So who have we got? Nella,
Elliot, Nafi and Zachariah.
We have. Look at these guys. Look again. Look at Zachariah. Look at that smile. Look at that. It's amazing. It's just infectious. Really well done, guys. I'm so proud of you. Huge congratulations. Let's give a massive cheer in class now. Well done, guys. Enjoy taking your certificates home today. Keep up the reading over half term. Well done. There we go. Look. We've got PE stars. Now these guys have been really physical and really active throughout this half term. They've earned themselves their PE certificates. So who have we got?
We've got Simmer, Logan, Mikey and Josiah.
Indeed. Look at these guys. Look. Again, look at Mikey. Big smile. You should be smiling now, Mikey, because you just earned yourself your PE certificate. So really well done, buddy. Well done to all of you. Huge congratulations and give them a massive cheer. Well done. There we go. Right. That's it. What a half term, what a busy half term. See how hard all those children have been working. It's been amazing, so really, really well done. You can see we're back to school on Monday, the 1st of November. The gates will be open at 8:30. So listen, have a wonderful half term, everyone. Have a safe holiday, and hopefully we'll see you all 8:30 on Monday, the 1st of November. Until then, bye-bye now.